Taila ordered one big Lucky Scoop for herself. Wahoo! She's so lucky. Whoa, she scored 13 surprises in her scoop. 2 building block sets. The 107-piece rocket won in an awesome aerospace build. She's gonna love arranging these. 2 multicolor cute pen sets. 1 bear themed and 1 food themed. Total cuteness overload. 1 cosmetic Miro. Our princess themed diamond dazzler. One pen and pencil set. The pony themed mechanical pencils, perfect for her. 3 paper soaps. Magical unicorn vibes all around. One glow-in-the-dark kids watch. The cute pink Hello Kitty one that lights up at night. Glow magic. One envelope of nails. These cuties will look fabulous on her. One zipper bottle. Stay hydrated in style. One diamond painting kit. The fun Pikachu design, she's gonna enjoy every sparkle. Taila is so lucky with this epic haul. Keep watching, like, and subscribe for more unboxing videos on Lucky Scoop Mania.